Remote control, pure PLC mechanism. On the screen showing a more assembly machine with 25 output PLC points and 41 input PLC points. This is the historical period. The first time demonstrate remote control the pure PLC mechanism. In previous lectures, we demonstrate a 3-axis 2 stations water jet cleaning machine. We pressed Y6, the window wheel down, and pressed again to let the Y6 become 0, the window wheel up, with the same specification to rewrite the same CSV table. We can demonstrate the same functions as press the Y button manually. The affected object will move as the specification in CSV table. How we did just like this. Previously, from here to here, all 0. Right now, according to the cartoon chart, we mark number 2, show number 2 to set y1 s1.x. This is object 1, which is controlled by PLC output. The output number is 1. Y1 in here is 1. The input S1, S2, S1, S2 is linear transformation. 1 is here. As Y1 on, the piston will move to 0040 millimeters position. This is Y, this is Z. YZ opposite is changed. So, as we load YF7R PG2 PLC on the screen, as we manually operating to activate Y1, you will see the relative object will move along Z direction 40 millimeters, and I let Y1 become 0. It will go back to the home position. And the Y2 inclined 40 degrees. The Y2 show 2 is PLC driven. The object 2, 3 is here with the limit 1 limit at the up limit. The down limit 0, nothing. The Y value Y2. As Y2 on, X move 30, Z move 30 with 40 degrees movements. Let's see. Y2 on. If we see from the side view, you will see it more clearly. And release Y2, shut Y2. We'll go back to the home position. Y2 on, Y2 off. Inclined transition. Okay. Then object 3, Y3. The up limit 0. The down limit 4. The Y value 3, Y3. As Y3 on, the X move 30 degrees. The Z move 30 degrees. Number 3. You can see the Y3 moving up and down. Okay, let's see. Next one. How about this one? Y6. Y6 is this one. The show is 2, is PLC driven. Object 6. 7, the up limit is 7 sensor. The down sensor is 8. Up sensor input 7. Down sensor input 8. The Y6 is output sensor, output number. The moving along 0 minus 100 0 position. If you move, this is Y direction toward the minus Y direction 100 millimeter. This is Y6. So 6, this one become 1. You will see moving along minus Y direction 100 millimeters in distance, and off. You will go back, retract back to the home position. Okay, let's see 24 and 25. 24 is horizontal movements, 25 is vertical. We started from 25 to see 25. 25 in here is show 2, which is driven by PLC output. The output number is up 25. The 25 is attached to 24, and the translotate 1 is linear driven, PLC driven object. The upper limit sensor 40, the lower limit sensor 39. 40, 39, Y25 output. As Y25 on, moving 0, 0, 35 along Y direction 35 millimeter. That's C. 25, 16, 24, 25. This one, let it be on. You can see the green component moving up 35 millimeters to this position as shut Y25. We will lower down. So keep pressing up, down, up and down. As up, then we manage to let Y24 on. Y24 is show 2. Lower sensor 37, upper sensor 38. Lower sensor, begin sensor 37. The terminal sensor 38 and the Y24. As Y24 on, moving horizontal N1 X direction 50 millimeters, 50, 0, 0. We will move in this direction. Let's see. As 24 on, you see, move in this direction, 50 millimeters. So this is the way. If we write the CSV scene table according to the new definition at the beginning, to load the mechanism on CMS CAPP, first step is to handle manually every output value to see the relative object moving along the distance, along the direction, whatever is correct or not. After the manually operation, the 25 outputs to see the component moving correctly, then we can continue running automation. Right now we are doing remote control. A notebook opened at my right side with the IP number 196.168.1.1.1. So in this Win7 64 bits computer, we use open client and type in the server's IP address 192.168.1.1.1 and press enter. You will see client connected. After these moments, this computer become client of the server. Thereafter, this pure PLC mechanism can follow the movements of server. at the terminal of server, the client connected strings on the screens. Then we can run the server. Okay, that's wrong. And on the screen, immediately we can see the client machine following the server's actions moving on the screen. But we have to watch carefully because the step is only one procedure, not a recycle. For 25 wise is very short to passing the procedure. Fortunately, the notebook is Windows XP 32 bits computer. The speed is slower, so you can see the action on the screen lasts longer. Okay, let's run. Binding, turn back, shifting, holding, thrusting, reloading. This one reloading, and this loading, push, assembly the inner teeth, and reloading, finished. At the end, the plus 5 output still on. You can see this one in is on, this one in is on, this totally 5 still in position, actually on duty to prevent the parts drop down. Okay, this is the historical period to demonstrate the first time remote control the pure PLC mechanism. Finished.